Hey guys, this is Margot at Greater Goods. I just wanted to show you something really, really cool today. Our dear friend Veronica Blum gave us this awesome Yonana maker. She's a beaut, and I want to show you how she works. So, we're gonna take one frozen banana, pop her in there, turn it off. Actually, let's do a second one. I'm hungry. So, what I'm thinking is for Kids Corner at Greater Goods. We just got some chocolate chips donated. A little banana and chocolate chip goodness.